Valentine's Day is right around the corner, and if you're like me, food is easily one of my love languages. Whether I'm whipping up something in the kitchen or my man is taking me to a restaurant, we gon' eat. So here's a little Valentine's Day series for some of my favorite go-to date night meals. So I actually posted this recipe before, but I had to bring it back because we love a good crab dinner. So I'm using Dungeness crab. I drizzled it with some grapeseed oil and then seasoned it with garlic pepper seasoning, garlic powder, and pepper, and I made sure to season both sides. Next, I'm gonna take a stick of butter, a spoonful of some minced garlic, and I also added this ranch seasoning, some garlic herb seasonings, and some parsley, and then I'm going to melt that in the microwave. Once my butter is melted, I'm gonna dredge my crab legs in that garlic butter, and then I put them in the oven on 400 for about 8 to 10 minutes. And we love to pair our crab legs with garlic noodles, so in another pan, I'm gonna take some butter and grapeseed oil, 2 spoons of minced garlic, toasted sesame oil, and then equal parts of soy sauce, liquid aminos, fish sauce, and oyster sauce. I'm also going to add in a little brown sugar to balance it out. And at this point, I'll taste it. And if I feel like it needs extra of anything, then I'll go ahead and add it. Now I'm going to toss in my noodles. You can use the noodles of your choice, but I use some fettuccine noodles because that's what I had in my pantry. And I'm going to make sure all the noodles are coated. I add a little Parmesan cheese and then top it off. You can use fresh or dry herbs. I also went ahead and seared some broccolini, and that was it. Roasted crab and garlic noodles is easily one of our top 3 favorite date night meals. It's super flavorful and is relatively quick and easy to make. But make sure to like and follow for more Valentine's Day date night meals.